Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a design team project for Ephemoire. This month's kit was, I actually got to pick it myself, and it was called Rather Girly, and I've titled the journal Rather Girly there with one of the, just at the bottom of the sheet it's got the name of the kit and the website details. I will have all the links below, so please check that out. So I decided to make a journal, obviously, and this is it's just over 7.5 by 5.5. It's a soft cover. It has one signature and it has 80 pages front and back. And I used designer cardstock and then a plain cardstock, just white cardstock, and sewed them together just to make the cover a little bit more sturdy. I've used one of the pages from the kit. I've used this organza rosette trim, this lace trim here, this little flower here that was gifted to me from, oh my goodness, on the tip of my tongue and I can't remember. Oh, it will come to me. There's some more lace trim here. I've sewn all around the edge. I've got two bead dangles here, which is in the centre of the signature. You can see it's quite chunky. Seam binding and eyelet closing. And let's go inside. So you can see it there. So on the inside cover I've just got an envelope pocket there, and it's also a tuck, and I made some tags. I've seen the banner tag, I can't remember who that was now. I think it might have been Clemmy, the scrappy momster. She had done some banner tags in one of her journal and I thought, oh, that's a good idea. So there's more in the back there, and let's go inside. So I've used some of the paper here and cut it down and made a large corner tuck. I've got some handmade tags in there, and they've been coffee stained or tea stained. This is from the kit, and I've just backed it onto cardstock. And this little envelope here, and I've just realised that I put that heart on upside down, but it don't really matter. And inside there, if I can get my fingers in, my hands are freezing. Just got some cardstock journaling space in there, so that goes in here. The flowers from the kit, so I just fussy cut that. I've got a doily tuck here, and I fussy cut this out from the kit and just put it onto a large index card which has been stenciled and inked up. Another journaling card with a butterfly from the kit. Oops. Here we've got a corner flip tag, and this image is from the kit. The little banners and the circles are also from the kit. So I made a double tag. The other side is at the back, and I just stamped on there. Put a butterfly on there from the kit. Got a paper bag. There is plenty of places to journal. Here is one of the pages, but I shrunk it down a little bit to make the pocket, and I've sewn the pocket onto doubled over coffee dyed paper, and we've got a journaling card inside there, and obviously from the kit. Here, this is a corner or a side pocket, I believe. If not, that's what I used it for, and I just put some lace trim on there. This page here is actually not from the kit, but it's from Ephemoire, and it's one of her 12 by 12 kits, which they're very florally, and I absolutely love them. I've got quite a few of them. This is from the kit, and I just stuck that there. This idea was from Clemmy, the scrappy momster. Momster is monster, isn't it? Yeah. So it's also a tuck here, and I put this lovely ribbon that I only had this much left of. This is actually a little tuck. If I can just get something. Oh, this will do. Piece of paper. So it can be a tuck in here, and I just made it into a little booklet. There's 4 pages, 8 sides, and obviously you can journal on there. So that just, it's got a doily there as well. So that just ties up. And this again was paper from one of Ephemoire's 12x12 kits, and I thought it matched this particular page from the kit. Here, these were just the scrap pieces left over from the index cards, so I thought I'm not going to waste them. I will make little tags with them. This again is just a little booklet and a banner from the kit, and it's just got paper in there to journal on. Another tag, we've got a flower on the doily, paper bag, some lined paper. It's a very pretty kit, this. This piece was from the kit, so I just made it into a pocket. Some more from the kit. There is more to the kit. I didn't actually use everything because the journal was getting rather chunky. Oh, there's a scrap piece of lace there. So here's the 2 bead dangles. We've got a flip up pocket here, and there's pages inside there. Again, this was another idea from Clemmy. Another tag, 2 tags there to journal on. The butterfly and the banner and the little circle is from the kit, and the large page is from one of the 12x12 kits. So again, lovely pretty girly papers. I made an envelope kind of flip out here to journal on, and this, if you can see, that's the same as on the front, so I just cut it down and made a side tuck, done some sewing, got some tickets, there's some organza, is it organza? I think it's called, or no, it's like a mesh, and a paper flower there. Paper bag, a doily, another flower on here. Tag, this here is, I've just got a tag behind there, and these little pockets are from the kit. The image is from the kit, so I just made a tuck, well, a pocket tuck, if that's what you want to call it. A little journaling card from the kit. This again is from the kit. This was just a scrap piece of paper from the 12x12, so I just made that into a flip up tag, and another little index tag there, so it all pops in there. A flower. This was one of the pages from the kit, and I just used the top part of the page to make the pocket and just sewed it onto some coffee dyed paper and put some lace on there. Here is some ephemera from the kit. Another little, it's got a little card, journaling card in there, and the circle is from the kit. Another side pocket here. Paper bag, little circle from the kit, a tag and a journaling piece from the kit, so is the banner, so is the little flower circle. Another index card, this was from the kit, so I just fussy cut that out and stuck it on there. Again, the large index card. This was one of the pages, and I just cut it down and used it as a pocket. There's a large pocket in here, envelope pocket with just a piece of coffee dyed card. This is from the kit, and a tag, and finally the back page. Love the zip, that's pretty cool. So that's that. So that is the journal. Like I said, all the details will be below to Ephemoire's website, so you can pop over and take a peek, and if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.